Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making very authentic and delicious Shami Kabab. They are so versatile, you can have them at any time of the day. Make in Ramadan and have them for Sahoor or for iftar. Give the kids for school lunches, make sandwich out of them or roll them into parathas for dinner parties or even as a tea time snack. I already shared the recipe for chicken Shami Kabab. They turn out light and delicious. But for right now, let's go and make it happen. So first in a cooking pot, I'm adding some boneless beef chunks. You can substitute with the goat meat as well, but don't add ground meat, please. Then I'm adding pre-washed and soaked gram lentil, chane ki dal, adding some ginger and garlic. I'm using whole here, but you can use a paste as well. Then I'm adding cube onions and enough water to cover all the ingredients. And let's start cooking. Then I'm adding some cumin seeds, whole coriander seeds, whole button red chilies, turmeric powder, and salt. Then mix everything well and start cooking until it comes to one boil. Then bring it down to the medium heat and let this pot cover lightly and cook until meat and gram lentil is completely tender. Then on a high flame, cook more until all extra water dries out. If you have moisture in there, they're gonna ruin your shami kebab. Then let it cool down completely. Then we need some herbs. I have some mint leaves, cilantro leaves, and green chilies, and then I'll be adding some onions in there as well. And I transfer all these herbs with onions in the food processor and process them until they are completely finely chopped. Now, if you talk about authentic Shami kebabs, they process this all these herbs with onions and then take this mixture and fill the Shami kebab mixture with this mixture. So they're gonna stuff this. I don't like this process, so I'll just process the meat and the lentil mixture with this herbs mixture and mix everything well. So when everything is completely processed, then I'm adding some garam masala and an egg. So I'll check in later if I need more egg. I'll add more egg with the help of hand. I'll start mixing all this mixture. You can taste this mixture at this time, and after tasting, I thought to add a little more salt and half beaten egg in there. Mix everything well and then keep this mixture on the side for a while. Now it's time to shape our kebab. So take a little amount of this grounded mixture, make a small ball, then flatten it with your palm, then smooth the edges, and then here is your shami kebab. Now I line some cutting board with the plastic sheet and I am placing all my shami kebabs on there until my keema is completely done. In between, I am adding more plastic wraps and then I'm putting this tray in the freezer until they are completely frozen. Then I label a bag and then I transfer these frozen kebabs in the bag, and these kebabs can stay for a month or two in your freezer. When it's time to fry your kebab, I dip my kebab in the beaten egg, then I transfer it into the hot oil. This way it will retain the shape and it looks more beautiful from top and get very nice golden color. Although the kebab mixture have the egg, so you can omit this process as well. Now fry your shami kebab until they get very nice golden color from one side, flip them and cook until the other side get that nice golden color. Transfer them onto a paper towel to absorb some of excess oil. Now here are my shami kebab ready to serve for iftar or for dinner or for any parties. If you're trying this recipe at home, please share your feedback with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish and let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Please remember me and my family in your prayers, and once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.